Turkey and stuffing meatball that's got a chili cranberry sauce. So for this one, we start out with 1 pound of ground turkey. I like a mix of white and dark meat. 1 pound of ground turkey in the bottom of the bowl, a little bit of grated onion, just like I do in my deviled eggs. My mom always put grated onion into our meatballs and it adds a lot of flavor. A little salt and pepper. And then for the breadcrumbs, I take seasoned stuffing cubes and I grind them up in the food processor and I moisten them with turkey or chicken stock. Get them nice and moist and add them to your bowl with your grated onion. And then we're going to crack in an egg. A little hint of lemon zest. Or orange zest is equally delicious. A little bit of citrus zest. Brighten it up a bit. I like a little celery seed in this as well. Kind of a fun secret ingredient. And then some fresh herbs to kind of brighten up the seasoning blend. Then we're adding in fresh of some of the same things that we get in poultry seasoning. We're adding a little fresh sage and thyme and parsley all into the meatballs. You mix these together, get your hands in there and get nice and dirty. These guys we're just gonna spray lightly with a little olive oil, put them in a hot oven at 425 till they're nice and golden brown. The sauce for this is super easy. All I do is take a couple of cups of homemade cranberry sauce or 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce, drop it into a skillet, and add an equal amount of chili sauce. That's it. Mix the two together, heat them up. We're gonna roll the meatballs in this when we come back, and I'll show you the pork schnitzel balls. For the turkey meatballs, the turkey stuffing meatballs, take them out of the oven and then roll them around in the hot cranberry chili sauce mixture. Yeah, they're real yummy too. Can I make this more complicated or more messy? I'm like, well, I have too few balls for the plate and too much sauce. There. That's a pretty hot mess.